Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to enable custom scripts on your SharePoint site. Custom scripts can add functionality, interactivity, and personalization to your site. Whether you want to integrate a chatbot, analytics, or any other custom feature, this tutorial will guide you through the process. In the SharePoint Online Management Shell window, run the following command to initiate the connection. You will be prompted to enter your SharePoint Online admin credentials. Enter your username and password when prompted. Once authenticated, you are connected to the SharePoint Online environment. Run the following command to enable custom scripts on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled custom scripts on your website. Remember to be cautious when adding scripts as they can impact your site's performance and security. Always test thoroughly and keep your backups handy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more web development tips and tricks.